Hi, everybody. Kind of took a semi-break from doing some of my daily tasks over this holiday season. Hope you're doing well. Happy New Year upcoming, of course, on Friday. Behind me, the Live Camera Network, and was kind of thinking we could get partly sunny skies with a fairly thin cloud deck the first half of today before the clouds thickened up. But between the fog and the incoming clouds, it's pretty overcast, as you can see. There's Aspen Lakes Golf Course, our newest camera here. I love this one. This is Elk Ridge. It's just past Stevenson and Carson on the Washington side of the gorge. There's Wind Mountain, if you know the area well, and of course the Cascades across the Columbia River. Anyway, the snow is gone in much of Hood River. Now, Indian Creek Golf Course in Hood River is still showing a little bit of an icy coverage of snow on the ground. All right, the big system moving in, or the big story as I pull up my 7 days, how active our weather is going to get, starting with the system that comes in tonight. So let me go ahead and just pop this up a little bit. All right, 7-day forecast. Thank you, by the way, to Hazeldale Tire Pros, as always, for sponsoring this. So 27 this morning on this Tuesday. That's the coldest temperature by 2 degrees that PDX has had so far this fall-winter season. Now, with clouds coming in, I had a high of 43, and I'm thinking, I'm not positive we're going to reach 40. So at any rate, the message is it's going to be a chilly, chilly day out there. Winds have really faded. They're mostly going to be 10 to 20 at most out near the gorge, and really fairly light winds across much of the valley. This evening, most forecast models like rain coming in at some point after 10 o'clock into the actual I-5 corridor of Portland and Salem and up through Vancouver. So again, after 10 o'clock tonight, some forecast models bring it a little bit earlier in the evening. But at any rate, eventually tonight after dark, we get wet. And then it's rain at times Wednesday. Now, we're going to be unstable Wednesday. So that fuels a possibility of some downpours and, maybe even some rumbles of hail. I think it mostly favors some heavier rain rates at times on your Wednesday. Forecast models give us at least a half of an inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch of rain from what comes overnight tonight through the day tomorrow into early Thursday morning. That's the first system. If there is going to be a dry break, it'll be Thursday afternoon, then Thursday evening, heading into New Year's Eve, where we could be dry. But the rain is back Friday. Right now, I think lighter stuff Friday morning, heavier in the afternoon, looking at my forecast sheet. There's one system that comes in Friday afternoonish. Then the strongest system of the bunch comes in Saturday overnight into Sunday morning. This could be heavy rain rates here. Could be a wind warning issued for the coast Saturday night for maybe some 60 to 70 mile per hour winds. And there could be, depending on the exact orientation or placement of this low in front as it comes in, there could be some noticeably high winds in the valley too, going into Sunday morning. So watching that. And then systems look pretty wet into the mid part of next week. So we're really getting active as we go. Notice 38 tonight, 42 Thursday, 38 New Year's Day, 42 Saturday. So let me back up. As we move forward after this morning, I don't see any more freezing temperature nights for the valley due to this really active flow pattern. Now, I want to show you one more thing before I stop. Okay, here we go. I want to take you to my Columbia River Gorge page, Columbia River Gorge. Boom, come on, here we go. All right. 35 Cascade Locks, 34 Hood River, 34 in the Dalles right now. If I click right here, I can take you to the Hood River. This is the automated worded forecast from the National Weather Service. Now notice in Hood River, this goes 34 tonight, steady temps in the mid-30s tomorrow. If this is off by a few degrees, there would be a period of snow or ice in the gorge overnight tonight into Wednesday morning. So we're watching that part of the story. And then once, assuming it does, once this does transition into rain with above freezing temperatures on Wednesday, that would stay that way into Thursday and likely stay that way, I think, for the most part, into the weekend. So, but you can get updates on my gorge page. And then one more thing I want to show you is on my satellite radar. I have replaced the radar image. This same image we're working on, it will show up on the homepage once again. It will show up on the app homepage too. And then we're looking to replace this other wider radar page. So my apologies for how long it took to get that going. The rest of the imagery right there clearly shows the ball of moisture offshore getting ready to come into our area with rain coming in tonight. All right, I will talk to you soon. Have yourself a great day.